Ġatilkom ħolma li dduru d-dinja? Hekk qed jagħmlu Lucky u Captain Paddy T Bear, żewġ Teddybears Irlandiżi li għandhom ix-xorti li jżuru bosta pajjiżi, bil-għan ewlieni jkun li jgħinu l-minu fil-bżonn. Dan wara żjarat tagħhom huwa li jiġbru l-flus għall-organizzazzjoni LauraLynn Children's Hospice u Dogs Trust tal-Irlanda billi jieħdu ritratti tagħhom infushom f'żoni differenti tal-ajruplani li jitilgħu fuqhom, fosthom anke fejn il-bdoti. Tkellimna ma' Andy Garland, wieħed mill-handlers tat-Teddybears, li fil-ħin liberu tiegħu u anke meta jaħdem bħala pilota jieħu miegħu liż-żewġ Teddybears fuq it-titjiriet miegħu.
Aviation Ireland, or with the challenge, we've been trying to get Captain Paddy T Bear and Lucky. We've been trying to get them to travel as far around the world as we can. So they've been down to Perth in Australia and over to Boeing Field in Seattle. The cause behind it, though, is we're fundraising for a charity in Ireland, the LauraLynn Foundation, which is a terminally sick children's foundation and dogs trust.
Spjegalna kif minkejja li huma żewġ Teddybears xorta għandhom passaport personali u logbook li fih jitniżżel kod tal. Spjega kif mhux l-ewwel darba li ħaddiema f'xi ajruport li niżlu fih għarfuhom u anke riedu ritratt magħhom.
So each of the bears actually fundraising for one of the charities. So you've got Paddy here. He's been around since the start. He's fundraising for LauraLynn, and then Lucky. We thought he needed a sidekick, so we thought we'd bring Lucky in. They've flown with the Irish Air Corps, they've flown with a lot of the airlines, TUI, Ryanair, a few other airlines along the way, and it's been great to be part of the project to try and get them as far as we can.
Intant wara bosta tit-titjiriet u żjarat f'pajjiżi differenti se jasal iż-żmien biex kemm Lucky u anke Paddy jirtiraw u jiġu rkantati. Garland spjegalna kif minkejja li għadha ma tħabbriġ din l-aħbar. Diġà kellhom offerti li jitilgħu aktar minn 5,000 euro għal Teddybear minnhom. Spjega kif minkejja li xi ħaġa ħelwa li wieħed isegwi l-vjaġġi ta' dawn iż-żewġ Teddybears fuq Instagram hija xi ħaġa ferm sabiħa li fl-istess ħin ikunu qed jgħinu lil minu fil-bżonn.